to make water. So whenever you make water, you need to put ice right here, then let it sit. And then it's water. And it is very cold, and you make water with the cold stuff. But it's very tasty. I'm going to move this by the fire, that way it can melt. And it's super heavy. It's hard to lift it though. But it's like the snow day. Dad, are you going to move it right there?
Does it need to be closer?
That way it can turn into water.
Okay. I didn't know it had to be closer.
Put it right there.
Alright, there you go.
Hello everyone. So when it melts, it is water. Whenever it's ready. Very tasty though. But it's gonna melt fast if you put it by the water. But you can't touch it though. It's gonna get hotter and hotter into cold ice and water. And it's very cold until it gets hot. Now that it's been seen by the fire, it's water. And it's freezing. It will even cold. It will be super freezing. Thank you everyone for watching my video.